Hello guys, welcome back to another video where today we are going to be trolling at Echelon hotels. You may have been seeing their ads. I'm kind of an OG at that game, original Gangsta XD. But I was there when they had like 2,000 members, and now it has like 30 something thousand members. Also, I'm friends with someone who was a big troller at that time, that was actually a moderator at the time, so it was a big deal. Papa Downshift was the name. They were high rank, and, sorry, my cat's meowing in the background for no reason. So, the thing is, I'm a crew manager. 5, I have some admin commands, but not like I can kick people right now. What do you want? Go away. But I can't. If I could, that would be a stupid idea, because obviously, what the moderators do is every single time they check the admin logs. So yeah. And yeah, I'm trolling at this game because I have a detain tool. But my tone is going to change because I'm going to be laughing at some of the stuff I'm going to be doing. We're going on Echelon. Also, I'm not on a very good computer. So, I can't pause this the recording right now. So please just wait, and while we wait, I'm gonna show you guys one of the best Roblox items while we wait for the thing to load. Now listen, guys, you probably think it's gonna be something expensive, in my opinion. So like, you guys, this is gonna be for another video. But some of you guys might not notice. You probably do notice. Roblox is. Let me show you the things before or whatever. So Roblox did the event with the whole adventures thing. They had an Iron Man glove. Last event ever. Rest in peace. So they had like some Iron Man glove. Well, you already saw my Thanos glove. This is really laggy. I'm very sorry about that. Please forgive me. There's this Iron Man thing. I think it was like the Thanos thing. You hold it. Iron Man. Here we go. Yep. They do that. Roblox kind of messed up the Thanos glove, but we're not talking about that. That's also for another video. Well, also then they had, so you can't see the image. Well, it's not my fault. Roblox did it. And then they added like a couple Arthro package. I think you guys have seen it. Like they added. They have Arthro. And that's the thing. You know, never mind. I can't find it. But let me just show you what it is. It's a bread sword you can hold. Well, I have an animation, but you already saw it. And yes, the game is loaded. And, well, kinda loaded. Shut up, cat. I gave my cat food. I don't know what's wrong with it. That sounds so mean. Echelon merch. Hey, why is this one the bestseller? Also, I'm friends with Papa Downshift was already banned, but there's another friend I have who's a troller who I ain't gonna snitch on, like a little bitch. I'm not gonna pull a Takashi. Now who do you think you are, mister? Yeah, dang it, I got the wrong place to say. No, mister, who do you think you... Loud. Stop. This hotel isn't for just everyone. You get your beat over here. Oh my God, I'm gonna go kill me some little boy. Why do so many? Well, whatever. I'm gonna take this NBA young girl instead of NBA. She's AFK. That idiot fell in. Run. I think he saw me. I think he legit saw me. He saw me detain her. Yo. Yo. Don't make me go sicko mode on you, freaks. You know what? Yeah, I'm about to go sicko mode. Back in high school, I used to go sicko mode. Now here's homegirl. Kiss her. Now what we can do with her is we can swing that partner round and round. Don't mind me. What? Oh. Yep. Okay. Now, let's take homegirl. What if an NBA homegirl was stuck in here? Yeah. Why do I have this? Well, I have to have this wimpy one arm so I can fit in this Thanos glove. Thanos. Why are you looking around? Do you have something to do? You know what? So illegal. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm pretty sure they know how to tell on me. Don't be a snitch. Snitches get stitches. That was so dumb. Yeah. Hey, little ball, what do you think you're doing? Hi. You know, idiot. You can go in here too. Why not? Why not? You know what? This is probably the worst video I've made. Cause, this isn't really trolling. Now what do you think you're doing, NBA young boy? At the last part, I think I'm gonna do a big troll. I'm French, English, Rushy. What? You idiot! You're supposed to say I'm French, English, and Russian. Fucking dumbass. You know what? I'm starting to think that they're lying. If they're that dumb, how come they would know multiple, talk? Mister, what do you think you're doing? So this is basically me just abusing my power. You know, that's the title of the video. Buster! Come on, buddy. Got you. Oh God, oh, my cat. What do you want? My cat walked up to me. You can stay right there for being illegal. Thanos might just snap. You have a limited. That's not allowed. I mean, I have a couple limiteds. Welcome, man. Oh. Hey! Hello. Oh. Oh God, I have to play it off. No. I had to play this off. Sure. Don't know you. Sure, I don't know you. Sorry guys, well, now I was caught. This is how I got permanently banned multiple times. Rob, do you have a screenshot? God damn it. I didn't. So, us staff can't. Us staff. Us staff. Stop. We're not allowed to do it. This guy be a snitch. So, I said not allowed. Just look at my rank. The person I'm sending this to, please don't snitch, because you are an HR and I happen to be friends with you. So yeah, did not, sir. I did not, sir. And why are you look so... I see the chat logs. Sounds like you're joking. You're done. Troller. Yeah, because I think I just got this guy in trouble. I looked at monthly viewers. This dude, look at this dude. He's really sad about what I've got him into. You don't. This guy's a troller. You're a troller. You are trolling and yeah. Sir, calm down. He's being... Don't you dare tell me to calm down. Listen here, little boy. I'm staying back here. Oh my god. Hey, I'm going through a lot. Just deal with it, kid. You're going through a lot. Sorry I haven't been talking. I've been reading what they're saying. You know, guys, I think I'm done with the video. See y'all. Have a great time.